We are positive this morning. The US closed well off its close yesterday, boosted by some rather good economic news at about 3:30. That is the jobs numbers as well as the trade numbers, both better than expected, showing the US economy is recovering. And that's pushed our markets also higher, so we're about a third of a percent up at the moment. The gold stocks are probably going to do quite well. The gold price has recovered. It's finding some kind of support on the 1400 level. Even though you stayed dipped below that a couple of times, now it's once again above it. The rand is weakened slightly, so that should probably be good for the gold stocks. So the China came out with some results today, retail sales and the inflation numbers. The retail sales are very good, came in about 16%. The inflation numbers are a little worse than expected. There was high inflation in China at the moment than we had predicted and that they are hoped for at the moment. And so we might just see more actions like the one taken yesterday by the Chinese government to increase reserves, to reduce the speed of the growth in the country and just put a bit of cold water on some of this heat that they're seeing right now. It's also going to be negative for the Chinese going to the G20 because the numbers that we got this morning show that the Chinese economy is going very strong and inflation is a problem. And the trade numbers we had earlier this week also showed that the Chinese are still exporting much more than they're importing. This could put more pressure on the Chinese to increase the value of the yuan, and it's probably going to be something that's going to be discussed quite strongly at the G20.